Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing my version of Thai fried rice. Try this recipe and you will be amazed how such an irresistibly delicious dish can be cooked so quickly and easily. Let us note down the ingredients. I am using Thai Jasmine rice which I have cooked and cooled to room temperature. Garlic and few chilies, green as well as red. Shallots which I will slice. Few bell peppers which I will julienne. For seasoning, a little amount of soya sauce and fish sauce. And very little oil for cooking. 2 eggs and around 200 gram of boneless chicken. Salt as per taste. I am using sea salt. First I'll prepare the seasoning sauce by adding a little amount of sugar to a bowl. To that I'll add pepper powder, followed by soya sauce, and a little amount of fish sauce. As the soya sauce and fish sauce contains enough amount of salt, I'll be adding 2 to 3 pinches of the salt to this seasoning. I will pound garlic and the chilies and reserve 2 cloves for frying. Heat up a wok, add very little amount of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Fry it for a minute. Beat up 2 eggs and add it to the wok and scramble it. Toss in the chicken pieces and fry it for some time. It is the right time to season it with few pinches of salt. Add the pounded garlic and the chilies and fry it for a minute, followed by adding sliced shallots and julienne bell peppers. Fry it for around 30 seconds or so. Toss in the rice and add the seasoning sauce that has been prepared. Mix thoroughly and the fried rice is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.